1. Massive philanthropy efforts. MrBeast is not just about entertainment. He is also one of the most charitable influencers. 1. He founded Beast Philanthropy, a non-profit organization dedicated to helping people in need. 1. His initiatives include funding thousands of surgeries to cure blindness, distributing food to struggling families, and building homes for the homeless. 1. He also launched Team Trees in 2019, which raised $23 million to plant 20 million trees, and Team Seas in 2021, which collected over 30 million pounds of trash from oceans. 2. Survival and challenge videos. Many of MrBeast's most famous videos involve extreme challenges, like staying inside a circle for 100 days, surviving on 1 penny, or living in a coffin underground for 50 hours. 2. These videos test endurance, patience, and creativity, attracting millions of views. 2. His content is meticulously planned, often requiring months of preparation, massive sets, and large crews. 2. This dedication to high production value sets him apart from other YouTubers. 3. The cost of his success. While MrBeast earns millions, he reinvests almost all of it back into his videos. 3. Each upload reportedly costs anywhere between $500,000 to $5 million to produce. 3. In an interview, he revealed that he sometimes spends more money than he makes because he constantly wants to push the limits of YouTube content. 3. Despite this, his business strategies and sponsorships ensure that he remains financially stable while continuing to create groundbreaking videos. 4. Influence and social media presence. MrBeast is not just a YouTube sensation. He dominates other social media platforms as well. 4. He has millions of followers on Instagram, Twitter, X, and TikTok, where he shares behind-the-scenes content, giveaways, and collaborations with other creators. 4. His influence extends beyond YouTube, as celebrities and brands frequently collaborate with him. 4. He was even invited to major events like the Super Bowl and the NBA All-Star Game, further proving his mainstream impact. Future plans and goals. MrBeast has stated that he wants to be the biggest YouTuber in history and aims to make even more ambitious videos in the future. He has hinted at launching more businesses, expanding his philanthropy work, and even starting his own streaming service or TV show. His goal is to continue entertaining and helping people on a global scale. With his creativity, dedication, and passion, MrBeast's influence is likely to keep growing for years to come. If you like this content, do subscribe and like and comment. Thank you for watching.